Of good things, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I hope we all are doing great, no matter the situation we are passing through right now, no matter the situation that is going on right now. Let us still believe that God is always in charge. Yes, God is still in charge of this whole world. The whole world is still in God's hand. So welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I make my vegetable soup. Yes, natural one as that. Oh my goodness. So if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome and well appreciated. If today is your first time coming across this great channel, oh my goodness, you are in the right place. In this channel, we do cooking recipe, lifestyles, and face mask tutorial. If you fall in any of this category, you want to be among this great family, please do hit that button, subscribe, and make sure you put on the notification bell that say all, so that you will not miss any of my videos. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome, amazing people. Oh my goodness, what could I have done without you guys? I thank you for always supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. May God continue to protect you and bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Yes. So guys, without taking much time, let's go right into this video. So these are the few ingredients I'm going to be using. Yes, without so many ingredients. So you can call it simple, you can call it natural. There are two goes right. Let me show you guys the meats. You can see I have my momo and beef here. Oh my god, so I have some beef. You guys know I don't normally use beef a lot because I'm not a type that eat beef so much. I love eating fish, but today's recipe I'm not going to be adding fish. Like, it's going to be different from my normal recipe. I will show you the type of meat I'm going to be using. So guys, you can see the meat is cooking. And let's go ahead with a few ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe. So you can see I have a lot of vegetable, like a lot of vegetable. Can you see this? Although I don't normally use this one, I love it when it's fresh, but one thing that makes me run away from it, like, it's so hard. You have to wash it very well because of the I don't know what to call it, because sometimes it's so dirty, so you just have to wash it so like thoroughly. I'm prepared to do this. That's why I bought this one. I could have bought the already made of it, so I'll put it in my sink and I'll pour water to rinse out all the sand, all the dirty things. So guys, just stay tuned to this video as we go ahead with this food. This is my bell pepper. This is 3 bell pepper. I'm going to be using bell pepper for this recipe. This is my scotch bonnet pepper. It was inside a freezer. I just put it here to mint. This is 1.5. And this is onions. This is my red oil. I will be using red palm oil for this. This is my crayfish. This is the crayfish. This is my somagi kill. And this is my dry peppers. I always put it here. So guys, these are the few ingredients we are going to be using for this delicious recipe. And if you love this video after watching, please do wait to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. And remember to like this video, share it amongst your friends and family. So stay tuned to this video and enjoy the rest of this video. So guys, so you can see I have sliced my bell pepper. I slice this bell pepper like this because I am using my smoothie machine now, because my other machine got spoiled, which I explained the other time when I use it in the other of my video. So this is it. I'm going to be using this for now. This is my smoothie machine. It came as a set, so if you know this is it. And this is my scotch bonnet pepper. I will not be grinding it. I just slice it with my kitchen scissors. This is how I want it. I don't want to blend the scotch bonnet pepper. And I will take it to the blender now. I will take it to the blender and go and blend it. So guys, oh my god, can you see this? Can you see how it's looking? It's going to go for rice as well, because the soup was juicy, like there is more juice. It goes well, and This is looking so yummy. So this will be the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up. Do wait to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and make sure you put on the notification bell in case anytime I put on a new video, you will not miss any of it. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Remember to always stay safe. I love you all with the love of God. Bye bye.